fuck, I destroyed that squirrel. Holy shit. I fucking destroyed that squirrel. Dude, I gotta wash my bike, my wheels. Holy fuck. Wow, dude. Holy shit. There was absolutely nothing I can do. God bless the soul. It is what it is, man. Holy shit. I saw that. Dude, it went like in slow motion in front of me. Where the fuck is this fucking guy going, motherfucker? You piece of shit. You fucking piece of shit with your fucking Tesla. You fucking progressive fucking libtard, you piece of motherfucking shit.